Hello there, YouTube. Today is Sunday afternoon. I finished my work and out for a ride. Friday night I went and did a minor league baseball game, and I rode the bike over there. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt, and some clouds came in. It was starting to lightning and getting dark, so I kind of took off. I didn't get rained on, but anyway, we heard there was a cold front coming. So Saturday, it was like 80 degrees or 81 degrees on Friday. Saturday, that cold front came in, and it was 30 degrees during the day. And I had already put it on my calendar to go do a lacrosse game. So I go over there, and it's 30 degrees, and the wind is just roaring. And I bundled up. I wore some wind pants, and I even put long underwear on underneath and some wool socks, and I wore my heavy coat that's a real high denier, and gloves, and I had a hat on, and even that those little things, kind of half hat that you kind of put on to cover your ears. Well, I put that on around my neck and covered up my mouth and my nose. It was so cold that even my eyeballs were cold that were exposed. And I had a hood on and that hat, and it was just so cold. I didn't even last an entire game. I shot like 3/4 of a lacrosse game, and I left. I was going to shoot both, like varsity and JV, but it was so cold. The hell with that. I even drove the car over it and had the heater on. It was just cold. And today it's a little chilly, but it is going to be warming up. It's going to be back in the 70s again, but that's weird how just a cold front can just blow in and drop it like 50 degrees, overnight or within hours. I've seen it do it within hours before. The cold front just blows in. And you people up north, you can keep this cold weather up there. Don't let it blow down here. But it's kind of nice sometimes to cool off and get your sweats back on and in the house. And actually turned on the heat this morning. It was cold in my office, so. But it is it's 63 now, so it's warming up. It's not there. I wouldn't be out if it was 30. But not too bad. I like it when it's like this. I actually put my warm pants on. You can see there's no clouds in the sky at all. I pulled over to put these pants on. I just by my house still, and I watched these shadows just go right by me, like 4 or 5 shadows, just big shadows, just go right by me. And I'm looking up in the sky, and there's no clouds, and I didn't know what the heck, where that came from, but I did hear like a jet. So maybe that jet passed in front of the sun and just perfect where I was, right down the road. It's the only explanation I could actually have, because there's not a cloud in the sky. And of course my GoPro wouldn't come on because the SD card, it said there was an SD card there. I pulled it out, cleaned it. First the GoPro wouldn't even come on. My Hero 5 Black wouldn't even come on. Thinking, what the hell? I changed the battery. I have a new battery in the back, and I put a new one in. That didn't work either, so I pulled the battery out again, and it finally came on, and the remote here said SD card error. So I was only like not even a quarter mile from my house. I went back and put that SD card in the Hero 4 Silver, and it worked. It was fine. So I took the one out of the Hero 4 Silver and put it in this Hero 5 Black, and everything seems to be working. So I don't know why I had an error. I even reformatted it in this camera, and it still had an error. So anyway, it's kind of a nice day. I might go. Got the drone with me. I might go fly it. I brought the Phantom 4 Pro Plus, not the GoPro. There's no range on the GoPro. You can't even you can get about 1,000 feet, and that's about all you can go. And this Phantom 4, I've had it 1.5 miles and never lost a signal. People have flown those things for 4 miles before they start losing a signal. So, but I never do that. I'm kind of nervous to do that. 7,000 feet, I was with my son, and he flew it. So that's like not quite 1.5 miles probably. Anyway, Well, it definitely warmed up today. Then when I took off about 2, had to shed all my clothes. I think it's like 68. It's not bad. What a gorgeous day. This is perfect riding weather. 69. This is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yesterday was cold, but today's nice. Look how beautiful it is today. Look how bright and not a cloud in the sky. There's Treviso, a neighborhood that's sucking up the hills and screwing up the hillsides. Lord, why are we stopped? There's not even a car on the other road. Oop. There, I got my shield up. I don't know if it made any difference. Anyway, it's still some. I thought the bluebonnets would freeze yesterday, but they're still out. Anyway, bye.